Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the light mode on the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. So if you don't like the dark look on the DeepSeek AI, then let me show you how you can turn on the light mode on DeepSeek AI Assistant app. So before you begin, first go to your app store. You want to search for the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to go ahead and tap on these two lines here at the top left. Next, tap on your email address at the bottom left. Now from here, tap on color scheme. From here, go ahead and select the light option. Now once light option has been selected, dark mode will be turned on and light mode will be turned on. Go ahead and press X and then go back to your chat. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on light mode on DeepSeek AI Assistant app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.